first time you get in the ocean, it can make you feel really free and alive, and that's something that you can't buy.
Initially we came down for a 3-year period, and 8 years later we're still here and most certainly not going anywhere.
If you enjoy the winters down here, then you're meant to be here. My name's Vicky and I'm a freelance photographer, and this is my husband Nick, who's a carpenter, and our daughter Senan.
Yeah, I think we're going to be renting our home for about 5 months across the summer period.
We think the Cornish tourist scene is amazing. It's huge, it's one of the biggest industries down here, so to have our own house to rent out and let people enjoy their time while they're here is a win-win situation for everyone. Yeah, we've always loved sort of scouring charity shops and salvage yards and things, so over time, over the past 8 years or so, we've been collecting random bits of furniture and upholstery, so to finally have a house to put it in is really nice. My favourite detail of the house is the log burner. It was already here when we came, and I think it gives the house so much character. We were attracted to HomeAway because it's got a huge worldwide presence, and also the type of people that will be coming, will be happy with them respecting our house and having a nice time whilst we feel safe that they're here enjoying it. The website's really easy to use. It's a step-by-step process, and there's direct contact to the customer services if you need any help. So a secondary income would just make things that a little bit easier for us, and we can start again going on adventures and showing Senan the world and doing things a little bit more relaxed than before.